Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll spill out all my secrets about how I do my makeup base. I'm already done with skin prep and now we'll do base makeup together. So first thing first, color correction. For that, taking Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel, which is 2 tone darker than my actual skin tone. This step will make sure that my base doesn't turn grey or ashy due to pigmentation like I have under my eyes. After applying a bit on my under eyes, I will wait for a while and then blend out the concealer. By doing this, concealer provides more coverage. Always remember, do not overblend your color correcting product, otherwise you will defeat the purpose of color correcting. Now for foundation, taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is a true match to my skin tone, and mixing it with Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter to make my base more luminous, as my purpose is to achieve glass skin finish. I am a girl who always prefers glass skin finish over matte finish as I am having a super dry skin type. If you are having oily skin, I would suggest to go for matte finish. Now, this is the utmost important step, blending. Take good 2-3 minutes to blend the product nicely with a brush first. Do not swipe the product on your face, instead dab it. Swiping the brush on your face will give you brush strokes, whereas dabbing will give you more smooth finish. Do not hurry while blending, as this is the only step to get that flawless base. When you think that you are done blending, then also give 30 more seconds. This will ensure that you get the coverage with the most skin-like finish. Now for my concealer, taking Kiko Milano concealer, which is 1 shade lighter than my skin tone, and applying very little product just to hide the under eye bags I have and make my features look more forward. Again, waiting for a while and then blending the product nicely. I like to blend my concealer with my fingers only, as this makes the blending really easy with the warmth of my fingers. Whatever product left on my finger, I drag that on my eyelids too, just to neutralize that area a bit. What a huge difference a concealer creates. Now for further blending everything together, taking a damp beauty blender and bouncing it over my face to smooth out my base even more. Now I'm taking Fit Me Caramel shade again to do a little contouring / bronzing to provide structure and some color to my face. I'm just doing a little contouring on my cheekbones, jawline, and a very little on my forehead. For cheekbones, I'm dragging the product upwards while blending, as I want to lift my face up. If I do blending downwards, then my face will look droopy, so always blend your contour in upward direction only. It is not necessary for you to do contouring. You can get the color after your blush application too. Contouring will help you more to get that chiseled face, but again you can totally skip it also. Here I am creating shadows under my chin also to disappear any fat I have in that area. Now going over the contour application with the foundation brush, as a little foundation residue which is there in the brush will soften the contouring and give a seamless finish. Next, taking my favorite K-Beauty blush and mixing it with Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter. This will create a perfect blush highlighter combo and your cheeks will glow and blush all together. Applying few dots on my cheeks and blending first with fingers and then taking a blush brush to blend it further. Again, if you are going for glass skin-like finish, then I would suggest to apply your blush and highlighter like this only after mixing them together. Applying a little bit on the sides of my nose as well and blending it nicely, and then applying a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well and then blending. Applying a little on the chin as well to complete the blush look. You can totally skip any step, but applying blush is really necessary to get that color on your face. This will surely define the parameters of your face very nicely. Now getting the fixing spray on the beauty blender and first setting under eyes nicely to lock the concealer, and then setting and locking the remaining whole face with the same beauty blender. I like to lock my base with a fixing spray like this after getting some sprays on the beauty blender to avoid spray spitting. Now to complete the look, applying a normal black liquid liner on my upper lash line, setting my eyelids with a compact powder, giving good 2 coats of mascara to my lashes, applying a normal nude lipstick followed by a clear gloss, and voila, the look is complete. I hope you like my makeup base routine. I have spilled all my tips and tricks to get a full coverage base with the most skin-like finish. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Request you to please like this video and share it with your friends. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you all next time.